You know, the holidays likely are keeping you busy right now, buying the presents, baking the Christmas cookies, but you need to keep an eye out for all this holiday cheer and how it can pose a real danger to you and the family. Dr. Meg Garcia from the Grossman Burn Center at Research Medical Center joining us now with a look at the big problems of this season. So, you know what, on the news here every single day here for the last couple of weeks, house fire after house fire. So what do you see as the big culprits? Is it the trees?
Usually it's cooking. You know, everybody increases their cooking around the holiday time, and they can just step out of the kitchen to go look at something else, and the grease catches fire in the pan.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes is a few moments.
Okay. And you say keep the kids, an eye on them. Keep them maybe out of the kitchen altogether.
Best thing is to keep kids out of the kitchen. That way they can't reach up and pull any pans down. You also want to keep them away from any lit candles you have in the house. Even having them up on the table. If the kid moves or bumps the table, it could cause the flames to jump to other areas.
Yeah, candles are a biggie.
They are.
You know, you have people over, you light candles everywhere, and you're bound to forget one or two.
Absolutely.
At the end of the night, you know?
You always want to make sure at night that there's somebody that puts out the candles. Make sure that the stove is off so you don't have any heat sources.
That's their job.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Or maybe count the candles as you light them so that when you extinguish that same number, right?
Yes.
That's a good one. All right, so let's talk about Christmas tree dangers. And even, you know, we think of Clark and the Christmas Vacation with the lights and the light decor. What about those two things? Biggies?
Yes, absolutely. So Christmas trees cause about 20% of home fires during this time of the year. So you want to make sure that your Christmas tree, if it's a live one, is well hydrated, that you're giving it a lot of water so that it doesn't dry out. Also, you want to make sure that the lights that you put on the tree, that you've looked at them to make sure that they don't have any frays or any bulbs that aren't acting correctly. We don't want the electricity to cause issues and cause the tree to catch on fire.
Right, especially as it dries out, because that's bound to happen.
Yes,
and
artificial trees as well. You want to make sure that you get one that's fire resistant.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, so let's talk about actual burns. So it does happen sometimes. How do we know when it's bad enough of a burn that we need medical help? We need to come see you.
Well, we always say that there are no small burns to us.
Really?
So we would rather see all the burns rather than none. Even a small burn on a very important area such as your knuckle can cause difficulty moving that if it scars in over time. But in general, any burn that's greater than about 10% of your body, 10 of your hands, you definitely want to go be seen at a burn center. Any burn that's a third-degree burn, such as tough, leathery, or you can't feel it, and one that's causing you excessive pain.
Yeah, might as well. Safe than sorry.
Absolutely.
Yes. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know it's a busy time of year for you, Dr. Garcia. Thanks you again. For more from HCA Midwest Health, go to KCTV5.com, click on Better Health under the Better KC tab.